Wildfires are usually natural, started by lightning striking fairly dry land. These fires are necessary for ecosystems because they clean out underbrush and provide necessary conditions for some plants to germinate. However, due to years of fire suppression and anthropogenic climate change, there is a threat of more severe wildfires in the western United States and Alaska. The warmer, drier conditions we are seeing from climate change are perhaps the main causes of these large wildfires. The article also states that studies have shown an obvious link between increased drought and increased wildfire risk. In Alaska, since there is more dry land from melted snow and higher temperatures, wildfires are becoming more frequent. The article states that this 33 to 50% increase in wildfires and lengthened fire season is likely due to human-caused climate change and is only likely to get higher. This causes another threat since boreal forests and tundra are sources of soil carbon, which could be released into the atmosphere with increased fire activity. Another potential threat that these wildfires can cause is the melting of Alaska's permafrost. This would make the ground darker and therefore reduce solar reflection, resulting in further melting. Obviously, the fires themselves present alarming risks such as destroying ecosystems and people's homes. It is a possible threat that communities will need to evacuate their areas due to severe wildfires, especially if they become more frequent. Smoke from wildfires cause a health risk and many animals could go extinct. The western U.S. and Alaska are vulnerable because of a variety of factors, including soil moisture, humidity, wind speed, and fuel density from vegetation. While this chapter does not discuss solutions to these wildfires, I can think of a couple. The first would be to make sure humans are not causing these fires through cigarettes, campfires, etc. However, obviously something greater needs to be done about climate change since we are way over our safe levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere.